to outline your photo, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can outline your photo easily. So simply guys, as you can see, we have a background and a photo. Second layer, a photo. As you can see, we have a girl and I want to make a outline for this girl. So simply, first of all, select your layer, then go down and click in FX, as you can see here. Then select stroke. Okay, here guys, at the stroke level, set the outline size. As you can see, you can increase or decrease. Set the outline color. You can also put a green color or a yellow one. So easy. Okay, then click OK. Then okay, also you can adjust the opacity. That's it guys, then click OK. That's it, it's so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.